Okay, so we've done the traffic. We've done a way to get more traffic. Okay, we've got 3 methods. Okay, we've got 3 whole methods to get traffic. And did you like Tim's song? That's going to be, if you're coming to Vegas, guys, I'm going to ask Tim if we can play that as the entrance music when I come in and like get pumped. Love it. Absolutely love it. I sent that to a friend earlier. So it's got 140 listens. I think 138 of them are me. Now, so we've got a way of getting traffic. We've got a way of making more sales. Okay. Now, what I want to think about now, okay, what can we offer that's worth it? What can we offer? Okay. And this got me thinking, okay, so there's 3 parts to this training. Okay, 3 parts to this training. And it is traffic, making more sales, and this one is about the offer. Okay, so it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Just got to download something because I'm behind. So what I want you to think about, guys, okay, I'm going to tell you something massive, okay, massive that I noticed just last week, okay, just last week, and it's awesome, okay. Now, what I noticed, I should have got a graph of this, but it's something huge, okay. My total sales, okay, my total sales per month, affiliate commissions, everything I do, are multiple 6 figures. Okay, every single month we make multiple six figures. Okay, now what I noticed is, okay, what I actually noticed is that our sales go hand in hand with our subscriptions. Okay, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, I'll show you what I mean. This dictated what we're going to do in the future, guys. Okay, so if you imagine my accountancy software looks like this. Okay, it kind of follows this pattern. You have up months, down months, sideways months. Okay, this is what my accounts look like this. Okay, month by month. Imagine that's a few months. Does that make sense? Okay, and here's what I noticed. My subscriptions follow the exact same path. The exact same path, and it has done for months. Okay, how cool is that, guys? Okay, and that tells me, okay, that I need to be always focusing on subscriptions. Does that make sense, guys? Let me know if that makes sense. It's a big lesson for me. When subscriptions are up, sales for everything else are up as well. Okay, type of 1 in the chat if that makes sense. For staying on so long. Yes, lots of sense. We're not going to bring the AL Alchemist on there, guys, due to the tech issues. Okay, because I can't bring them on this platform. Okay, subscriptions are the cornerstone. And I want you to realize how good selling subscriptions are. Okay, there's 2 big reasons you should be thinking about subscriptions. Okay, it's a recurring income model. Okay, it's recurring income. So when you hear people saying about passive income this, passive income that, one of the ways of getting passive income is getting your recurring income up. Okay, let's say you done $10,000 a month. Okay, let's say you done $10,000 in April. Okay, and let's say you get, what are subscriptions? Like subscription product. So products you charge every month for. Okay, so you done $10,000 in April. You sit on the 31st of April. Okay, how much do you think you're going to earn in May? Okay, so you're sitting there on the 31st of April thinking, right, how much am I going to earn in May? How much do you think you're going to earn in May if you've done $10,000 of subscriptions in April? Let me know inside the chat. School, if you join school, for example, $99. It's every month. Okay, that's a subscription. Similar or more. Okay, you start on the 1st of May, guys, knowing you're going to make $10,000. How cool is that? That's pretty cool, right? Like, you start, how much comfort would that give you? Let me know inside the chat. It would give you a lot of comfort, I think. Okay, you will get some unsubscribe, you will get some stop, but you will get more join. Okay, so you're kind of trying to push that up all the time. Okay, very nice. It is like we've done 6 figures in subscriptions before. Okay, 6 figures. So we knew the next month we would do $100,000. Pretty damn cool. This is one reason subscriptions are so cool. Okay. The next reason is I used to think $7 buyers were good. Okay. I mean, $997 are better. Okay. If someone spends $997, they're better than a $7. But then I realized people who subscribe are the best buyers. They buy high ticket even more than anything else. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Why they're the best buyers? And think about this, guys. Okay, think about this. Exactly. Like sponsors, my husband did that, and he made every month, he had made $30,000 before the comedy club, I take it was his business, even opened. Exactly. Like, how insane is that? You start the month knowing you're going to make $30,000 and you know they're the best buyers. They've already bought from you. They know they're buying every month. They know they're committed. They're going to keep turning up. Okay, so they're going to keep buying things. It's pretty damn cool. The best buyers is what I found. And it's proven by this that happened. It's proven by this peaks and troughs, okay, as I call it. Okay, and here's the thing, guys. If you could charge, let's say, $10 per month, okay, you only need, and it sounds like a lot, but a lot of people will buy a $10 product per month. It's not very much, okay. You only need to sell 10,000 and you're making $10,000 per month. Does that make sense, guys? It's awesome. Okay, it's awesome. Type a 3 in the chat if you think this is awesome. If a light bulb has gone off, type 3 inside the chat, because it should be a big light bulb. That should make you think, how the hell, what is a subscription? How do I make one? What do they look like? Is what it should make you think. Type a 3. Exactly. All these ways to make money. Subscriptions are the best. Okay, so you might be thinking, but who's going to pay $10? Okay, what could you charge $10 for? Okay, well, if we went to this DM, oh, I did have an account. If we went to the DM software, okay, and we could sign up for it. Okay, I have got an account. And we signed in. Okay, imagine we just bought it for $10. Okay, and then we could go in and it would tell us how to reply, like we showed you on yesterday, I think it was. No, the last session, on session 2. You can go in, you can reply to any message and move them to where you want to get. You move them towards the sale. Do you think that would be worth $10 a month, guys? It's the same software, okay? that we give away as lead magnets. We can create 3. We can create a lead magnet software. Then we can create a bonus software. Then we can create a subscription software. Okay? Or the one that stops you getting banned on Facebook. Do you think, guys, people will spend $10 a month to not get banned on Facebook? Let me know with a yes inside the chat. They 100% should do. For $10 a month, that's the same price as being verified on Facebook. I think verification is like $11.99 for the blue check mark. Okay, it's a no-brainer. Do you think you'll be able to sell these type of softwares? Do you think you'll be able to give away these type of softwares lead magnet? Do you think you'll be able to offer them as bonuses? The answer should be 100%. 100% you could, and 100% you can. The launch I did, so I'm going to let you know this, guy. I'm going to let you know right now into my little business. The launch, I did a little software launch in November. Okay, in November. Okay, it made us $150,000. Or the business, not me directly, $150,000, and it has a subscription. Okay, it has a subscription, and every month when those subscriptions come out, we get into the top 3, normally top 1 on JVZoo. How cool is that? And we're on the top of JVZoo, and we're not even launched a product. Pretty cool, guys. This is how mega subscriptions are. Okay, so who wants to see? Okay, I would have brought the AI Alchemist. Okay, I would have brought them on. So who wants to see how, or tomorrow night, how to create lead magnets? What the thing you can do to create these lead magnets? Okay, type a yes inside the chat. The thing you can do to create all these bonuses and more you've seen. Okay? And how you can create these subscription sites. I want to see loads of me, guys, because this should excite you. And how you can do them, how you can build one of each in under 20 minutes. Type in 20 if you think that's awesome. How you can do all this in under 20 minutes. Obviously, you've got to come up with there's lots to it, but we'll show you the format on how to do it in under 20 minutes. And we'll take you through the way to do it, so to speak. How cool is that? It's mega, guys. And for one lucky person, maybe one lucky person, we're going to show you how to make up to, we don't know the exact amount, 10K. Up to $10,000 making it. Okay. This is stuff that's never been shared by us before, guys. The AI Alchemist is coming on. We will blow your mind, okay? So what we're going to do is, there would have been a bit more to this today, guys, but I got the podcast in like 8 minutes. What we're going to do, I want to make sure every single person's there, okay? I want to make sure every single person's there. Will you be promoting tomorrow night's live, guys, if you're a live profit, in fact, if you're a mega linker? Mega awesome. This is amazing, guys. You will see alchemy at work. You will see how alchemy can blow you away. It's fantastic. Okay. So I'm going to drop the link in, guys, for everyone to join us. You've got it inside. Okay. You need to be promoting the heck out of this. Okay. It's this one here. The 3-in-1 shortcut. Okay. Lead magnets, bonuses, software, and how you can create them in literal seconds. Okay, so promote the holy living crap. There's type of 2 in the chat. If you're going to invite and earn, if you're a live profit build, maybe you get $1 per sign up, and you earn commissions. Okay, and you'll be seeing some magic unfold in the next month, I would think. Next month, you will see the result of tomorrow night. Okay, 4 to 5 weeks. Excuse me. Okay, it is mega. Okay, so if you haven't got the link, I'm going to drop the link in. Okay, you need to make sure you're there. Click the link. Okay, click the link. You're going to learn how to do this. You're going to learn how to put it together, how to structure things. You're going to learn exactly how you can do it. It's very exciting, guys. Okay, this is the one live of the year so far you should not miss. Okay, this is the one live of the year your OLSP members should not miss. This is the one live of the year, new one on Facebook, Instagram, or anywhere else should miss. Okay, no one should miss this, because this is going to be one of the cornerstones for the rest of the year. Okay, this is going to be one of the things I don't know if I like this new look. This is going to be one of the things that adds, like, you can see what's happened to OLSP up to this point, guys. Okay, it's changed. This is the beginning of the change. This is the beginning of the explosion you're going to see everywhere. You can see my dog bed. My dog's not in it. This is, I don't know why I said that. This is the beginning of an amazing year. This is the beginning of the North Star, guys. Some of you know what I mean. This is the beginning of everything. Okay, it's going to be mega. It's going to be massive, and I can't wait to see how this impacts your business from tomorrow night. Okay, so we're going to leave it there, guys. I would have taught you a bit more, but as luck would have it, tech doesn't like me today. In fact, it's Cloudflare. We had to delete the whole thing and start again. So it wasn't either of my tech. It was the biggest hosting platform in the world. Go figure. So thanks everyone for jumping on. I am really excited. Upon a great plug there, great plug. But I'm going to ask you all a personal question, guys, for me. Okay, some of you know what's happening this year, and it's starting. Okay, let me know with a 5 if you are excited for this year. Was it Carolyn? It was in Work Club. Let me know with a 5 if you're excited about what's going to happen. OLSP is going to reach an entire new level, and my students are going to reach an entire new level. And it's just going to be a mega year. Okay, it's going to be a huge year, guys. I am going all in. Literally nothing's going to stop me, and this is how you need to feel about what you do as well. Nothing will stop you. Nothing will stop me. We're doing this together as an amazing community. Okay, the best community. And I'll always say that. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow night, guys. Do not miss it. I do not know if we're doing a replay. In fact, I don't think we will be. I need to check. So you need to be there, guys. And if you're there, you will see how things change. Thanks, everyone, jumping on. I'm now going to go get and ready for the podcast. And I'll see you tomorrow night. Let's crush it together.